Hi, welcome to our Domo tutorial. So for this one, I will gonna teach you how to connect your Google file into the Domo platform. First, let me share my screen with you. All right. Now, for this one, we're gonna use this data for a sample. So for the file that you want to upload to Domo, make sure that you only have one tab and all the data has all the platforms has data, all the cell has data unless it has blank data. Um, for this one, this is just a sample though. So if you want to read this one, date of application, the passer's ID, and all the blank row, it won't read in the Domo. So the Domo is gonna tell you that it has an error in reading your data. So make sure that your first row is the name of all your variables. This is the name of all your variables. And then the rest of the file is your data set. Now, for this one, I use import range formula. So import range, then open parentheses, then quotation, copy paste the URL of the file that you want to link, and then quotation, comma, then another quotation, and then the name of the tab that you want to link your data, and of course, the range. So your range will be from B4 to C54, but this is just a sample. So it depends upon the range of the data that you can get. It might be um, B4 to Z54 or Z1000, or so it depends upon the uh, file or the range that you want to import range in your Domo raw data. So then now we have this sample data set. So let's go to Domo. So how will you upload it in Domo? So first you go to your data, click data, and then click the file, and then use, because you can upload your file using CSV Excel file here by dragging it, drag and drop. But for this one, because we're gonna link the Google file into Domo platform, so we're gonna use more upload methods. And then we're gonna search, right, this one we'll have to connect the data and then get the data. Uh, Sometimes this may take a while to upload your data, especially in looking for your data though. So here we're gonna search for we start and to our community. We're gonna search we start and to our. Okay, so it's searching the file. Now I got the file here. Just click the file and then select. And there you go. It uploaded your file. So once the file will be uploaded, it just click the next, and then it will ask you for schedule. So for this one, let's say we want this to be updated every hour. So, and the file is active every 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And just click that one, next, and the name of your data. So let's just copy this one for the name. We start onto our communities and then save. Now, there you have it. That's how you upload a file. Now, you can start um, playing with your um, data, create some table. But for this one, because there's no data from other columns, so there's nothing to work on with this table. So once you have this one, you can categorize your file. So that's it. That's how you link your Google file or Google Sheet to Domo platform. So thank you so much for watching.